But the views out here is nice too. Look at the sleeping giant over there. What's the name of this green run?
Oh, I don't know if this has a name.
This is not a name.
Yeah, this
okay.
is the way right now.
But this is the first green without.
So, are you just this run specifically, or are you talking about out here?
I know this is ski school.
Well, this to the right is ski school.
Yeah.
But to the left, that run they're coming down, and that lift is not ski school.
Okay. Well, oh no, but that's not Thunderhead lift, right?
Thunderhead's the one down there.
One all the way down there.
Yeah.
All right. Which one is this?
That's the lift, as you can see. The base is just to the right. It's Greenhorn Express.
And that will take to all the green runs?
Yeah, it's just to that top right there. So it's literally just this right here.
All right, guys, I got you. I found it. Hey, thanks for all your help, man.
Yeah, no problem. I actually worked that lift. So I'll
all right. Okay, thanks, man. All right, gotta go down to that lift down here. I'm gonna strap in. I'm gonna see y'all real soon. All right, y'all, I'm strapped in. Now we're gonna ride to that first lift, but not Thunderhead lift, all right? See you out here. See you out here. Love seeing black people out here. So right here, green. This is where you go. So it's Greenhorn Ranch. That's where you get on your green lifts. I'm gonna take y'all everywhere. I got you. Look at the seats though. They plush. You see, it's plush. Oh. I ain't used to this. It automatically came down on me. I ain't even want it, but I got it. I had to take it. Go to the Greenhorn Ranch, man. You get on the Wild Blue Lagoon, the Wild Blue Gondola. Then after the Wild Blue Gondola, you get up on the Greenhorn Ranch. Greenhorn Ranch lift, your first green runs. Look at all that behind you, though. It's really cool, huh? Ski school's over there, but we're gonna come down this run right here. All under me, so we're gonna be coming down. All your green runners, man, let's get it. Don't let them look at you no way. You learning, you gonna be there one day. You gonna be on them blacks. I'm talking about, I was there. All right, we're gonna get off, baby. We're gonna get on our first green run, baby. The scariest part for some people is getting off the lift, but it's not that scary. It comes right up for you. All right. So we're gonna strap in real quick. Strap. Scoot over here. Strap. All right. Strap in. Hit y'all real quick. We're taking this run down. Let's do it. So for my people who want to take it easy, I got y'all out here, man. Come around here. LiQWYD just came by. Looks like you can go all the way over there too. Nice, man. just did our Greenhorn, man. It's very easy, man. You don't have much to worry about. Greenhorn Ranch is fresh, man. That's where you can get your Greenhorn at, man. Alright, we're gonna take it around the other way real quick. We're gonna go down to Thunderhead. Yeah. And we're gonna head back, right? We're gonna head back to the easier way. So to the left of Greenhorn Ranch. So we got just beginning. Literally come right down here. Come right down here to the left. When you come this way, so when you come this way, you basically be heading back down to the face of the mountain where you can get back on the Christie Express, and you can also get back on the Greenhorn Ranch, all right? So I'm gonna take y'all down this runway. I think this is called the BC Skiway. BC Skiway. This is called BC Skiway. So the Greenhorn, the Wild Blue gondola lift that I took, I'm gonna show you that lift again. One thing about BC Skiway is, I don't know what time of day it is. Depending on what time of day it is, it will be very, very busy. There'll be a lot of people here on this run, so just be careful. So this is the Wild Blue gondola that I took up when I first got on. This is it right here. Right there. So this is where you saw the people coming down. This is where you saw it at, right here. And this is the way you take when you want to head back down and get back on Wild Blue gondola, and then then we're gonna do Christie's Peak, and I'm gonna show you what that one looked like. All right, we'll see y'all when I get down here, man. Just enjoy the ride, enjoy the scene. The T-bar. I'll take y'all down there one day. Come down the T-bar one day. Here we go. See right there. It's the one we took up.